Hi, I'm Christian, aka Snakebird, and welcome to my channel. Numbers define who we are, so you should hit that subscribe button to help me feel better about myself. My lifelong dream is to surpass ninjaydes in subscribers, so you should really hit that button to help me out. Please enjoy the video, and remember, bigger number, better person.
Welcome back.
Now
Welcome
we've
back,
gathered enough
everybody.
evidence. Though it appears complicated at first glance, the answer is simple.
Okay,
Oh,
tell me the
enough
answer,
evidence?
Halara.
Halara, did you
We
already
don't need to
solve
go
the
to the
locked
third
room mystery?
What?
So,
You haven't?
There's no way to solve it with what we have. How was the room locked?
It's unfit for one detective to ask another that question. For the sake of your
Not
own
really how it
pride,
works, but okay.
you must figure it out. Unless you'd like to hire me to do it for you. It won't come cheap.
I'll figure it out myself.
It's really all about the money with Halara.
The longer I'm with Halara, the deeper into debt I'll get. It's
yeah,
starting to
Halara sounds
scare me.
exactly like Halara. That when Shinigami says it, I don't
No.
catch it.
Yeah, it's just
Let us be
Halara.
swift. Next up is our last crime scene.
Wait!
Art gallery.
Also, doesn't Halara look like our real sister? Because she has like pale skin with the purple eyes,
Whose sister?
like you Makoto Head's sister.
Oh.
The next one is the art gallery in Gima
fair enough.
District. We're running low on time, so we must hurry.
Right. The chief's in danger after all.
Yeah, it's been way
Time
more
to
than
go.
3 hours. Sorry, cheat, but oh no, there's a guy. No, run away from the side quest.
Oh no.
Art gallery.
Last crime scene.
Yeah, wow. So there's no new characters. I'm surprised.
Yeah, so it has to be one of those people.
One of those people, or
Or Halara.
or Halara, or
Or
the
peacekeeper guy.
but probably not the peacekeeper. I think the other peacekeepers are like you know how Swank in the mystery dungeon was like he's like the little guy who guides you along,
Yeah.
and then it's like the real villain is revealed. It's like that. So he'll probably be like the little guy who guides us along with
The
his little
guy that
monocle.
we like
yeah.
fight.
Yeah, we'll fight him like a couple times, and then it'll be like the real guy.
Mm. Let's go inside.
All signs are leading to the priest right now. Actually, no, but I don't
Yeah.
know.
So this is the art gallery.
I feel the only one who for sure is in the clear is the servant.
It's closed due to special circumstances.
If it's
The
actually the
murder
servant,
occurred only about
I
a
will
month
be
ago.
surprised how he like manages to get up that
I'm
tower.
certain the crime scene has been cleaned up like the others. Not that it matters to me.
Wait!
Again, we just
it's
go
not
in
a
and
good
break.
idea to break into the art gallery.
Hmm? Did you say something?
That's our Halara.
The crime scene is deep inside the art gallery. It's one of many storage rooms.
Okay.
Come, I won't allow time to be wasted.
Wait, please!
Who is the nail man? Premier Art Museum. Giant dinosaur
Dinosaur
fossil
fossil.
replica. That's crazy.
It's on the outside. Nice week.
There's not a single soul here.
Is this the storage room where the crime scene took place? It's locked.
We're going in.
Great.
We're like a couple of thugs or something.
She just likes breaking into places.
Yeah. Very
Painting.
Depressing
Was the first on the
place.
scene the person from the church again?
As expected, it's the same worshiper. He said he was trailing the victim after finding a doll with the same name.
Who's the victim
He
this
saw the
time?
victim enter the building late at night. He then searched the premises with the art gallery staff. When they opened this storage room, they discovered the victim's corpse.
Whoever's
the door
killing
was
them
locked
is
at
really
the time
fast
of
at
discovery,
killing.
and the key was found
He's fast at
inside.
hammering.
Ooh, another locked room
He just
mystery.
brings a bunch of dolls with him too. He has to have like Santa Claus with like his sack of dolls.
But I'm starting
To
to
spread
get
them
bored.
around.
It's not so special anymore.
What do you mean special? People have died. Let's start investigating.
More
Okay,
postcard
let's do it. Let's
mission.
do it. Let's do it. Investigation. I hit the button again. That's crazy. Okay, corpse. Original location. I'm a master ninja, I know.
Nice.
And holding.
Oops.
Wow, it's a little girl.
Post-cognition reveals the crime scene in slightly faded colors. The room looked vaguely hazy in my eyes, even with the rows of vivid paintings within the art gallery. The smell of paint oil that permeated the room wasn't that of the past, but the present.
Wow, that's
If
me.
even the smells from the past could be recreated, the stench of the corpse would be much more overwhelming.
That's crazy. Anyways.
Corpse.
Oh no, I didn't. Oh wait, I did press
The corpse of a young woman. She has nails all over her body, as expected.
The victim's name is Issa Moe. She used her good looks
Moe.
to have
Oh,
relations
it is
with
Moe.
Nathan.
A different Moe.
The amount of suspects who
Oh, they got her
could
with the
have
Jesus
written her name on
nails,
the
like,
doll
right through the
is
hand.
nearly too high to count.
The victim has those same marks that suggest being strangled to death. Huh? But there aren't any scratches that would have been left from a struggle. And,
You noticed as well.
yeah, there's a wound on the back of her head. It looks pretty deep.
So she wasn't killed by
This may be
strangulation.
the real cause of death.
No, this woman maybe it might be important then. Maybe like
Yeah.
the nail man actually knows her or something. I can't
She's-
move anything. with
She
her.
was killed a different way. Interesting.
Yeah, very cool.
Or at least she was.
Oh yeah, of course everybody has to have like a window or something. Yo, who designed this? Yo, where's there?
It's such a small window.
Yo, who actually designed this
in
though?
the middle of the wall.
The only way in or out of here besides the door is this window.
The window jets out and is used as a vent. It doesn't appear big enough for someone to move through. You should check the window in the present, just to make sure.
Currently,
That
it
is
opens
sad.
outward slightly, but there are no other suspicious traces on it. It seems impossible to enter or exit through here.
Tiny window. Very tiny window.
This is...
Like even the placement is just weird.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh, I know this. He's one of those edgelord protagonists everyone loves for no reason.
It's not really the impression I get. Great. Oh,
Oh.
doll nailed to painting.
Oh.
A large painting lies on the floor, and a doll is nailed against the canvas. One nail goes through the head, another nail is in the chest.
Is that like a circle for the nail?
Yeah.
But the nail in the chest also passed through the circular
Oh,
hole
that's a
on the
key. I didn't
key's
even think.
handle.
I didn't even see that.
Oh.
Did the culprit leave the storage room after nailing the doll and key to the painting? If that's the case, how did they lock the room? The key was nailed to the picture.
What do you
so
think
it
this is
couldn't be
a
used.
clue about the
I
next
feel
victim?
like this feels like the first one.
well,
Even though
that's what
it
makes
wasn't.
a locked room mystery. I'm sure
I
you
feel like
figured out
there's like some
trick.
personal connection to the nail man with this
And
one.
This
I
one.
need to find out what. This is.
No, wait, there's nothing here.
That's
So let's assume there is a reason.
Nothing, nothing.
Oh.
Alright. Please look at the painting. Okay. What else we got? Wow, we got a lot. Examine the shelf with the basket. For
Nice.
post cognition.
Oh, what is that?
Let's look at it.
Sculpture.
Oh!
Sculpture with a sheet over it. The position was the same before and after using post
I
cognition.
see.
Overall shape of the sheet is also unchanged. We can assume nobody's moved it.
Okay, cool.
Baskets.
Oh!
Our baskets.
But there's nothing but dust inside. I guess it hasn't been used for a while.
Basically, it's unrelated to the case. That's great. Painting with a nail.
There's a nail stuck in a painting. The killer must have hammered a nail into the portrait instead of a doll. Why is there such a fixation on dolls? The crime scenes so far have all been abnormal. But this one's just sick and twisted.
Really?
In place of a doll. So they couldn't get any more
So-
dolls.
Or is this the person? Or like, I don't know. Okay, I did this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait for that door.
Oh, there's that screen painting.
Yeah.
And this wooden frame that has been placed on a trolley. Nothing seems to have changed. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Haha, here's where the good stuff happens. Oh! The entrance door was
There
open.
are 2 keys that open this door. Only one of them
2
was
keys?
inside the room at the time of discovery. The other one was owned by a member of the art gallery staff. That staff member always carried the extra key and used it to enter this room when the corpse was
The
discovered.
worshipper?
Where was the key found in the side usually kept?
It's supposed to be kept in the administrative office, but it's unknown if it was always there. Maybe it was lost and the culprit found it. Or perhaps the culprit secretly stole it. Either way, the culprit managed to obtain the key somehow.
One key was in the storage room. The other key was always carried by a staff member. If the culprit is that staff member, then this wouldn't be a locked room mystery, right?
Why go through the trouble of making it look like a locked room murder if you'd immediately become the first suspect?
I guess you wouldn't.
Countered!
Wow, okay.
Okay.
2 keys can open the door. Oh, wait, there's spilled paint. Is he
I've been
related to
wondering,
Mr.?
did the
Probably
culprit knock this paint can over? If so, it could have been used for some sort of trick.
I think it's just the paint
It's
can.
unwise to make up your mind before conducting a proper investigation.
Yeah, who knows?
It may have been like this before the murder. Or it could have tipped over when the discovery was first made.
Alright.
You got carried away in the hopes of getting complimented. Aren't you an eager little puppy?
Be quiet.
He was capitalized.
Guess that's it for the room.
We're done.
That should be enough.
Yay!
The full picture's
And-
coming together. That's what he says.
That felt very short though.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. It's like,
You're almost done too.
no. Mine
That
happened way
should
more
do
than
it
you.
for the room. Next is the window.
The window?
It would be best
Oh, outside of the
to
Look
window?
at
check
it again.
outside of it. Go ahead. I'll stay here.
That is suspicious, Halara. What do you
Outside
mean?
the window? Alright.
Why does she want to be alone in the room?
When you go outside, she's gonna like disappear.
It's fine to inspect the window, but our buddy here really insists you do everything yourself. Huh. And my master does everything he's told. Like a good little underling detective.
Halara is right. This is something I took on myself. I can't just rely on everyone else after putting on a tough front for that kid. That's why I have to do it.
Or maybe Halara's just taking advantage of you. It's obvious money is that one's only motivation.
Even so, I think it's the right thing to do as a professional detective.
Master, being overly nice for no reason is stupid. It's why you're so deep in debt.
That's your word.
I
So much
know,
debt.
But...
What
Just
are you
to
mumbling
one
about?
person.
Did you check the window?
Oh, right! I'll do it right away.
Let's see this window.
Outside the window, could that have anything to do with the locked room?
This boy. What's his
Boy.
Oh, it's at his name.
Yeah.
I wonder what Halara discovered.
No, I think it was his son.
You know, I think
Yeah, as in
Halara is
the
just
son's
having
name.
fun pushing you around.
Like, the boy's name.
Here's the
Wait, it
window.
said that?
Yeah. I think.
Hey, Halara.
Well, see anything strange?
Yeah, you, Halara.
No, nothing strange about it.
I see. Try entering through the window.
What? Between the gap? That's impossible.
Just try it.
Okay.
Through the gap.
I can't. I can't even put my arm through this gap. I can stick a finger in, but that's it.
I thought so. Good job. You can return now.
Huh? Are you sure?
Laura, what are
figure
you
something
doing?
out?
Did you not?
No, not at all.
Nah, she's just gonna.
What's that about?
Can't even put your arm through? Is that what it was? The gap is only 5 centimeters wide.
Ooh, cutscene.
Oh, finally. Is it the time? Is it Mystery Labyrinth time?
He's wearing loafers.
Oh my god.
Is he Nail Man? Are we gonna get kidnapped too?
Hey,
Oh.
what are you doing here?
Huh? I'm not doing anything shady.
I'll call the peacekeepers.
Wait! I'm...
Pick the art gallery, so we have to say yeah.
I'm a peacekeeper.
Huh? Of Amaterasu Corporation?
Yes, of Amaterasu.
You totally fumbled that. You're no good at lying, huh?
What did you say?
We are special investigators for Amaterasu Corporation. We are currently investigating a case. Civilians must not interfere.
Huh? Oh, right. I'm sorry.
Hey, Alara, are you sure it's okay to lie like that?
I've told you before that deception is necessary to
he the
finish
one
an
that has the
investigation
other keys?
quickly. By the way, aren't you an employee?
Maybe. I think
There's
you're right.
something can you bring over the staff member who discovered the body from that murder case a month ago?
Oh, that would be me.
Yeah, you're right.
Perfect.
I think you're
Describe
right.
the events for us.
I'm scared to even remember it, but if it's part of the investigation, then I have no choice.
I'll leave the rest up to you.
Sure.
I think this is the next
Gotta
episode
talk to
moment.
him. Is it?
Oh,
Okay.
Talk to him next episode.